Letting go. Holding on can feel safe, even when it hurts. Old habits, old stories, old disappointments. But growth requires space, and space comes when you release what no longer serves you. Letting go is not losing. It is making room. Room for clarity, room for peace, room for better. You are not your past mistakes. You are not your worst day. You are the person who keeps learning. Release what weighs you down. Carry only what strengthens you. If you want to watch more videos like this, please hit like and subscribe. What can you release today?